Hello friends, welcome to Embedded Board Tutorials. Today in this video, I am going to write a C program to find the sum of all elements in an array. So let's get started. You can open any IDE or compiler to write a C program. I am using VS Code. If you want to install VS Code, watch our VS Code installation video linked in the description, or you can click on I button. First, I have defined the basic C program structure, which includes header file and the main function with the return value 0. First, we define variables which we are going to use in the program and one header file stdlib.h, because I am going to use dynamic memory allocation for an array defining. So now let's include first include, and that is stdlib.h, because it holds the basic function to use dynamic memory allocation. Now let's come to the some variables which we are going to use in the program. So first is int size. Size will hold the array size, total array size, and the next line int sum. Sum is going to hold the all the element sum. So we have defined and initialize with the 0. Now let's come to the main function, giving first printf to user enter the size of array, and the next line using scanf to take input from the user, that is size. In dynamic memory allocation, I am going to use malloc function. So let's define array. So making a pointer, name of array, and typecasting to int malloc and size into size of int. Give a space in the memory during a runtime to our array size, whichever the user define the size. Now let's come to the next line. Here we are going to use another printf enter the value in array. Now in this we take the values from the user and save into the array. For this we needed a for loop starting with int I equals to 0 and goes to the size which user have given and I plus plus, and using scanf for every element to take input and save it array I. After taking input from the user, in the next line we are going to do the operation to find the sum of all the elements. For this we have to require another for loop. So for diff int I is equals to 0, I is greater than size I plus plus. Here there will be a confusion that in the first for loop I have used int I have defined a variable int I. In the next for loop I am also using int I. So there is a concept come in the play. There is of the variable defining local and global. They are the two type of variable. Here sum is equals to now traversing every element of an array and saving to the sum variable by adding every time sum is equals to the array value. Plus is equals to the array I. After completing this for loop, we are going to give another printf percentage d, from percentage d sum of all element percentage d, and that is sum, because sum holding all the sum of all the elements in the array. Now after this we are going to free the memory which we have allocated for our array ptr. Free ptr, sorry, free not a ptr. Here come array is come here, and now our complete code is written. Now let's run our code and test it. So it compiled completely and it is giving a message enter the size of array. Let's suppose I have entered the size of array is 5. Now value is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and the answer is 150. So our answer is correct. If we do the manual calculation for the sum of values, then it will come to the 150. So our program working completely fine. If you have any doubt in the program, you can comment below. Our code PDF is available on our Telegram channel, so you can go and follow us. And thank you for watching this video.